do a little quick video on some ACs that I have. We're currently at a birthday party. Here's a feathers by your time. It's probably got a Rotor X in it, which is probably not known to be the best compressors ever. And there's more in the front. I never knew this. We got some treasure over here. This carrier over here. I'm not sure what chassis it is. You see one of the Weathermaker series. So yeah, there's more in the front too. So I'll get you a close shot. Here's a Maytag up there. I am not sure if it's a Feathers or a Maytag. I ain't clearly sure. I'm clearly sure it's one of those 5,000 Maytags, one with all switches. Mine's the current Maytag I have, which is a 6, which is a 6,000 Maytag. There's some units over here too. I thought there was gonna be like a Panasonic or anything. Like 89 Panasonic. There's some units over here too. There's the units. Here's a GE air conditioner. I think this is a 10 or a 12,000. It has to be because of the chassis. And of course, it's got an LG rotary. And there's a Frigidaire, almost the same one as mine. There's a GE up there, which got an LG rotary. And this is a Gold Star. I have never knew this. This is kind of interesting. It has a Gold Star by LG. Gold Star rotary compressor. It's actually interesting because Gold Star, I think, manufactured their things like way back. And I'm believing this is the slide-out chassis model. There's a Hisense up there, and there's a Danby, 10 or a 12. Probably a 10. This is probably gonna be a 10,000 or a 12. 12 can hit. It's cocked in. The fan motor is just, I think, it's a Broad Ocean. Maybe I could probably get the access to the GE in the basement. I mean, I probably could. I mean, I'm probably not gonna turn it on because currently no one's down there. Yeah, going back to the yard. I did not knew that they made they made a carrier. I think it might be running right now. Is it running? Oh no, it's not. It's probably got a Daewoo carrier compressor in it. Because I cannot tell which sleeve what chassis it is. Maybe a sleeve or a slide out. I'm not sure. Maybe I can get access to the basement. So yeah, that's what I got for now.